guys, welcome back to Ancient Amnesia Podcast. This is Josh, and I'm back with another quick clip show. Today, I wanted to discuss the vastness of the universe as we explore the intergalactic highway system known as Laniakea. Our galaxy in the Milky Way is part of a system of over 800 galaxies that make up this structure, and we hope to explore more on the podcast. We hope you enjoy. Researchers discovered that we are part of a galactic highway. Astronomers have figured out that our Milky Way galaxy is part of a massive intergalactic highway that is part of a humongous superstructure, interconnected by over 800 galaxies. Have you ever thought about how big the universe actually is? Have you ever wondered about the Milky Way and its place in the universe? The truth is that imagining where we are in the universe is something really difficult to comprehend. Astronomers maintain that there are somewhere around 100 and 200 billion galaxies in the known universe. That is, of course, if there is only one universe. In recent years, more astronomers are leaning toward the possibility that there are in fact other universes out there, and we are part of a complex system within a multiverse. We have just recently discovered that the Milky Way galaxy, our very little place in the universe, is part of a massive superstructure interconnected by over 800 galaxies that are located at 1,000 million light years away. Astronomers have determined that the Milky Way is in fact part of a supermassive intergalactic highway 500 million light years across, which contains around 100,000 trillion suns and extends through its 100,000 galaxies. Baptized as Laniakea, this massive superstructure of galaxies is interconnected by a supermassive gravitational flat basin that extends its domain of attraction throughout the supercluster. Think of it just as a highway that connects some 100,000 galaxies, all of them moving throughout the universe. This will help researchers translate the speed assigned to the three-dimensional space to get a better understanding of how the cosmos works on a large scale and how superclusters influence our place within the universe. Interestingly, within Laniakea, galaxies flow inwards towards an unknown region called the Great Attractor. This means that the supermassive galactic highway moves together towards this mysterious point in the universe. The Great Attractor is a mass concentration tens of thousands of times that of the Milky Way that has a great influence on the internal movement of clusters contained within Laniakea. Astronomers have discovered that galaxies in our universe tend to congregate in groups and in supermassive scales. These galaxies are strung out like pearls, forming glowing filaments. Astronomers have found out that around the supercluster known as Laniakea, there are four neighboring superclusters, respectively, called Shapley, Hercules, Coma, and Perseus Pisces. Writing in the journal Nature, researchers who help map our supercluster said, "We define a supercluster to be the volume within such a surface, and so we are defining the extent of our home supercluster that we call Laniakea." This makes us wonder exactly how big the actual universe is, the shape of it, its movement, and what is actually contained within it. Mankind may never know the vastness of the universe. It may never discover the answers to all the secrets within it. But if we come to learn how to protect our planet and protect ourselves from massive cataclysms, we may evolve and eventually find a closer truth to exactly how large the scale is in which we live in. We hope you enjoyed the show. Please go to ancientamnesia.com for archived articles and podcasts. Join our YouTube, where you can watch all of our recent YouTube videos. And please join the movement at Ancient Amnesia Facebook. Until then, we'll see you next time.